All right, migrations to Business Central. So continued enhancement for migrating GP to Business Central, historical data migration from Dynamics GP to an Azure Data Lake. That's a big enhancement. So an Azure Data Lake is really part of that common data service. So connecting data that's in an Azure Data Lake or the common data service and giving users within Business Central visibility to that. As an end user, you might say, well, big deal, not a GP user, I don't care about that technology. But what this connection then allows us to do is actually populate Azure data lakes with other data sources and connect that data into Business Central. So although this enhancement is specific to GP, what it does is it opens up tremendous possibilities for GP users long term. So that's an exciting enhancement. Migrating Business Central 14 and 15 on-prem to Business Central 16, 17 online. As an end user, you go, well, why do I care? More users in Business Central SaaS is a big deal for current users of that environment. So more users, again, gives Microsoft more attention to that platform, which means more support, more enhancements, just more development around that platform. So the more users we can get from an on-prem deployment and from those older versions of Nav and Business Central into Business Central Online, the more it helps all of us. Microsoft just doesn't have to continue to support those older versions. They can redeploy their resources into Business Central. So it's good for us long term. You're not going to see a direct impact maybe on that, but it's good for us long term.